Very good morning, friends. We have come to a very listless week wherein the correction in Nifty saw a downtick of around 0.2%, which in a way dynamically puts Nifty more or less at the same levels where it had closed last week. Against the last week's closing of 11,666, this week has closed at a level of around 11,643. Important point to note here is that last week as well as this week, the Nifty has kind of respected the support of around 11,550 quite well. Simultaneously, the high that it created last week around 11,761, which also happens to be the all-time high, is also not taken out easily this week, which indicates that the Nifty is right now in a fine balance. Going to the heavyweight sectors, Bank Nifty has shown some kind of fatigue, with the heavyweights within the Bank Nifty likes of HDFC Bank and ICC Bank seeing some kind of corrections. On the flip side, IT seems to be finely balanced as well, with heavyweights TCS and Infosys coming out with their results on the last day of the week. Now, important point to note here is that the India VIX has shot up to a level of around 21, which is the highest since February of 2016, and which also indicates that there is a bit of nervousness at higher levels. Coming to the levels, 11,550, like I mentioned earlier, is a level to watch out for immediate support, but a break below it could take it down even till a level of around 11,300 to 11,200. On the flip side, the all-time high at 11,761 seems to be entrenched as an important resistance, and the market could probably move within this band over next 2 to 3 weeks. That's as per the expectations of the overall market scenario. Coming to the stock specific front, ITC has gone past its 300 mark after quite a long time and has closed at around 305. We expect a move to the tune of around 330 to 335 on the higher side, and on the lower side a stop loss around Friday's low around 295 can be maintained. Thus, it seems that ITC, which generally has a tendency of moving in one trench and post that moving sideways, has kind of taken through, and probably upsides till 330 are open there. On the other hand, we could actually be trying and sell Havels, which has closed at a level of around 743. In the process, it has kind of broken the swing low around 748, and therefore we are sensing it to go down up to a level of around 718 to 708 on the lower side. On the other hand, we would maintain a level of 764 as the trend change level, above which there could be some repercussions on the positive side. So that's our take for this week, and we hope that you have a profitable trading session in this truncated week, which will see 2 trading holidays. Thank you.